Hi, let's solve a new question. 2 power of x plus 2 power of minus x equal 17 over 4. To solve this question, first we assume let 2x equal y. That means we can substitute that y plus 1 over y equal 17 over 4. 2 power of negative x equal 1 over 2 power of x equal, we can write that 1 over 2y. So if we take LCM here is y, so we got, now we multiply that y numerator and denominator. So we got y square plus 1 over y equal 17 over 4. Now we cross multiply. So y times 17, which is 17y, and 4 times y square. So you got here 4 times y square plus 1 equal 17y. Now we multiply that 4 times y square. You got 4y square plus 4 times 1, 4 equal 17y. Now we have to rearrange this. So we add negative 17y both side. This part cancel. Right hand side becomes 0. So we got 4y square minus 17y plus 4 equal 0. Now we got a here quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, we have to factorize that. Since coefficient of y square is 4, that means this 4 and 4, you have to multiply that. 4 times 4 equal 16. And the middle number is negative 17. So this 16, if we factorize it, we got 1 times 16 equals 16. And if we take negative 1, negative 16, we get positive 16, and the sum of negative 1, negative 16 makes negative 17. That means 4y square we keep the same. Negative 17y, we can write that negative y, negative 16y plus 4 equals 0. Now, from the first two terms, we can take common a y here. So in parentheses, we can write that 4y negative 1 negative. So the third and fourth term, if we take common 4, we got in parentheses 4y negative 1 equal 0. Now, this 4y negative 1 and 4y negative 1, if we take common, so we got here y negative 4 equal 0. Now we use here zero product property. So when the product of two things is equal to 0, so we use zero product property. That means either 4y negative 1 equals 0 or y negative 4 equal 0. To solve this y, we add positive 1 both side. Negative y positive 1 0. So you got 4y equal 1. Now we divide 4 both side. 4 cancel. We got y equal 1 over 4. And the other equation, if you add positive 4 both side, this one cancel, so you got y equal 4. Now in earlier case, we already assumed that 2x equal y. So we substitute here. We can write then 2x equal 1 by 4 and 2x equal 4. We have to find the value of x. So 2x equal 1 by 4. 1 by 4 we can write that 4 power of negative 1. And we know that 2 power of 2 equal 4 power of negative 1. Now if we use the power rule, which is a power of m power of n equal a power of m times n. So we can write that here 2 power of negative 2. Now the base is same, so if you compare the exponent only, that means we got x equal negative 2. So we got our first value, which is x equivalent to negative 2. Let's solve our new another value, which is 4. We can write 2 power of 2. If we compare the exponents, we got our another value is x equal 2. So we got our final answer, which is x equal 2 and negative 2. Thank you so much.